markets. The Nifty opened on a positive note. However, for the first or for the most part of the trading session, the Nifty was trading in a sideways manner. Post 3 in the afternoon, we saw a sharp selling pressure, and the Nifty ended the day on a negative note after 7 consecutive daily positive closes. It closed down 83 points for the day. The market breadth was also negative with 633 advances to 870 declines. From the Nifty 50 pack, Tata Motors, HDFC Bank, TCS, L&T, HDFC Limited were some of the heavyweights which dragged the Nifty down, while ITC, ONGC, Reliance, State Bank of India, Bank of Baroda were some of the stocks which managed to close the day on a positive note. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, we can observe that the Nifty has faced resistance at the 66.6% retracement level of this fall. In last trading session, it has closed above the 61.8% retracement level. However, it wasn't able to continue its positive momentum in today's trading session. At that retracement level of 66.6%, it has formed an engulfing bear candlestick pattern, which is a bearish candlestick pattern. So until and unless today's high of 88.45 is not reached on the upside, the selling pressure can continue in the coming trading sessions. So considering this fact, we have changed the short-term trend to negative with a target of 85.56 on the downside. 85.50 is the 50% retracement that we have seen, 50% retracement of the rise which we have seen from the low of 82.69 up till the high of 88.45. So that is the levels that we are working with right now, and so we expect the selling pressure in the coming trading sessions. So the short-term trend has changed to negative. Now moving on to the hourly charts, as we pointed out earlier that the 20-hour moving average was holding as a very crucial support for the Nifty, and the entire rise which we saw from the lows, in the entire rise the 20-hour was not breached anytime. In today's trading session, it has breached below the 20-hour moving average. The hourly momentum indicator is having a negative crossover. So this indicates that the selling pressure can continue in the coming trading sessions. So we have changed the short-term trend to negative for a target of 85.56 on the downside. Crucial supports for Nifty are placed at 86.61 and 86.14, which are the 20 and 40 daily moving averages. On the upside, 88.45 and 89.37 shall act as crucial resistances. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty was the clear dragger in today's trading session. It opened on a positive note. For the first hour of trading session, most of the PSU banking sector stocks were trading almost up on an average 3 to 4%. However, the second half or the last half an hour of the trading session played a spoil sport, and most of the banking stocks gave up in the last half an hour. Among them, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, all the private sector banks were the major heavyweights that took a beating in the last half an hour, while State Bank of India and Bank of Baroda from the public sector space managed to close the day on a positive note. Our sense is that it has faced resistance at the 40-day moving average, and our sense is that the selling pressure can continue in the banking stocks in the coming trading sessions. So the Bank Nifty also shall trade with a negative bias in the coming trading sessions. So on the downside, crucial supports for Bank Nifty are placed at 18,560 and 18,350. On the upside, 19,040 and 19,200 shall act as crucial resistances. So overall, friends, the view on the Nifty and Bank Nifty have changed to negative. After 7 consecutive days, we have seen a negative close at a crucial resistance, Fibonacci resistance of 66.6%. We have seen an engulfing bear candlestick pattern, which is a bearish pattern. So until and unless today's high of 88.45 is not reached on the upside, we shall see some selling pressure in the coming trading sessions. So that's all for the day. Thank you.